Transform your lounging experience with the Couch Console Original Tray. Featuring a self-balancing weighted cup holder, it prevents spills even on uneven surfaces. Customize its compact and modular design to store your essentials. Keep your tech charged with a built-in USB-C port while enjoying its sleek, durable design. Ideal for living rooms, cars, or picnics, it's the perfect companion for relaxation or gifting. Say goodbye to spoons with a self-stirring mug. This automatic magnetic stirring cup blends your favorite drinks effortlessly. Powered by rechargeable magnetic charging, it's eco-friendly and lasts for 60 uses per charge. Made with durable stainless steel, it's easy to clean and perfect for home, office, or travel. A fun, practical gift for any occasion, this mug makes your mornings hassle-free and exciting. Simplify your relaxation with a couch arm tray. This space-saving, clip-on tray offers instant access to drinks, snacks, and remotes. Its adjustable design fits any armrest, while the 360 degrees rotating bracket lets you enjoy hands-free viewing. Double protection hinges ensure stability, and an extra silicone strip accommodates thinner phone cases. It's perfect for tight spaces and makes lounging more convenient than ever. Elevate your entertainment with this XGIMI MoGo 2 Pro. This portable projector delivers 400 ISO lumens and lifelike colors with 90% DCI-P3 coverage. Smart ISA 2.0 technology ensures flawless autofocus and keystone correction. Dolby audio-powered speakers provide immersive sound, while Android TV 11.0 offers endless streaming options. Compact and stylish, it's perfect for home or travel. Note: external power required. Preserve freshness with Wrap and Snap plastic wrap. BPA-free and phthalate-free, it keeps food fresh longer with a reliable seal. The included tight-cut slide cutter ensures smooth, easy dispensing every time. Perfect for snacks, leftovers, or storage, it's efficient and mess-free. Trusted since 1953, this premium wrap delivers quality and convenience, making it a kitchen essential for every home. Make laundry stress-free with Laundry Turtle. This innovative basket lets you transfer clothes effortlessly between washer, dryer, and drawers. Crafted from durable lycra, it's foldable, compact, and built to last. Ideal for front-loading machines, it eliminates the need to bend, reducing back strain. Say goodbye to lost socks and enjoy a streamlined laundry routine with this practical time-saving solution. Upgrade your lounging with a bamboo couch cup holder. Made from premium bamboo, it's sturdy, durable, and universally compatible with couches and armrests. Its tube-in-one design holds drinks, remotes, and phones securely, doubling as a food tray or laptop stand. Perfect for couches or even bathtubs, it blends functionality and elegance. A thoughtful gift for anyone who loves relaxing in style. Simplify your kitchen cleaning with the XGIMI Metal Faucet Glass Rinser. This elegant, multi-angle sprayer cleans drinkware effortlessly, saving time and effort. Designed for wine glasses, baby bottles, and travel cups, it's easy to use. Just press the cup's bottom for a quick rinse. Its brushed nickel finish resists water spots, blending style and practicality for any modern kitchen. Preserve your produce with food huggers. These patented silicone sleeves stretch to fit fruits and vegetables, creating an airtight seal that keeps food fresher longer. Reusable and dishwasher safe, they reduce food waste and eliminate single-use plastics. Made from premium BPA-free silicone, they're durable, eco-friendly, and easy to use. Perfect for any kitchen, food huggers are a smart choice for zero-waste living. Upgrade your cooking with a folding steamer basket. Featuring self-adjusting sides, it fits a variety of pots and pans with ease. Made from heat-resistant silicone and BPA-free polypropylene, it's safe and durable. Its compact design folds neatly for storage, while offering a large capacity when open. Dishwasher safe and suitable for non-stick pots, it's a must-have for healthy, hassle-free steaming. Enjoy icy drinks in minutes with the CHILLPILL Instant Drink Chiller. Perfect for tailgates, parties, or home use, it chills cans and bottles without mess or fizz. Compact and portable, this rapid chiller is powered by a reliable motor, ensuring ice-cold beverages on demand. Say goodbye to warm drinks and hello to refreshment anywhere, anytime with the CHILLPILL. Unleash your culinary creativity with the KitchenAid Mixer. Its durable metal construction, tilt-head design, and 4.5-quart stainless steel bowl make mixing effortless. With 10 speeds and 10+ optional attachments, it handles tasks from whipping cream to making pasta. Dishwasher safe and built to last, this #1 mixer brand elevates baking and cooking to a whole new level. Keep food fresh with the portable fridge by BougeRV. Using advanced compressor technology, it cools down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. Lightweight and energy efficient, it's perfect for road trips, camping, or boating. With 45 dB low noise and 3-level battery protection, it's designed for convenience and reliability. Compact, powerful, and ready for adventure, this fridge is your travel essential.